Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and we are at a small hike here. The trail is a loop around Lake Grubb. It is only 1.3 miles long. Lake Grubb here is man-made. It was formed when thousands of tons of iron ore was mined out of here and taken to be refined near Columbia and Marietta at some of those forges down there. It operated from about 1850 to 1907 and then was abandoned when there were richer deposits found elsewhere in the county. The size of the lake is about 54 acres, and like I said, it's about a 1.3 miles around. I guess we're looking north here. I'm going to go clockwise. The east end here is pretty flat. There's an overlook out there somewhere, but it's pretty heavily wooded here. It's springtime. And then when you get down to this end, there's a big up and down. Lake Grubb was closed for a while. I think part of that up and down there washed out. And but it is repaired. I've already done one lap. I'm going to do 4 or 5 laps here, so here we go. The whole trail is open now, and it is in very, very good condition. Wide, clear of rocks and roots. It's been maintained by Boy Scout Troop 349 out of Mountville, so good job, dudes. Doing a bang-up job here. There are at least a dozen points here where you can walk down right along the water. There is a life preserver back at the area where you start. The lake is very deep. I'm gonna have to look up stats on how deep it is, but since it was mining, it is super deep and very dangerous. No swimming, wading, any of that stuff. Otherwise, this is a very, very kid-friendly park here. Got to bring my guys out here. Here's another spot where you can just go right down along the water. I think they were doing some work here. I think there was somebody actually in that tunnel clearing some stuff away on my first lap. The north side of the park borders up on Ironville Pike. So there's a little bit of road noise here, but you disappear back into the woods pretty quickly. On the north side there's a post that's missing its sign, but you can shoot south here to a little spur trail that goes to an overlook that's pretty good in the winter time. I've already been down here, and it's kind of, the trees are grown up and over, so it's not that great, but it's just a couple 100 feet down here. There's a couple benches down here. It's a very family-friendly park. You know, the trail's 1.3 miles. That's good for kids. Do a loop or two till they get bored. So, yeah, we're kind of blocked off here from the lake, but there's other seasons where it's a little better. There's a couple pavilions, there's a restroom, and there's a small ADA trail too. Got fishing out there. Water's super green, blue. We're over on the west side here, so we'll be kind of climbing up there and down to get back to where we started. Getting a little elevation over here on the west end. One last bench here before you really start to go uphill. Thanks for watching this quick video. Lake Grubb's an awesome place for families or trail runners. I saw one guy making a real good time around here. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please ring that bell, get notified of new videos. This is a beautiful day. I hope you're having one too. Thank you very much. We'll see you.